So hey guys, Ham Radio for Non-Techies here. We came out today and chartered a boat to get out to this park that has never been activated before. This is the Matagorda Island State Park, just south of Galveston and off the coast of Texas, obviously. And yeah, it was about a 2.5 hour drive down here and probably about a 20-minute boat ride from the mainland over to this island, and nobody's ever activated this place. I can kind of see why. There's really nothing out here but people fishing. It sits on an old Air Force or old Army base. There's a whole bunch of runways back here behind us that goes out to the Gulf of Mexico, which is on the other side of the island here, about a couple miles out that way. But yeah, I spent the past 45-50 minutes out here on 40 meters trying to activate this park for the first time, and I got it, but it took forever to get 10 contacts. The bands are really kind of acting weird today. It's been all open and crazy the past couple days, and we finally get out here this long trip, and all of a sudden now I can't make a contact to save my life. I'll probably have to jump on 20 here in a little bit. I think 20 is really hopping and popping, but 15 was dead. 10 of course has been dead today, and 40 meters was just really difficult to get a contact on. But I'm out here. I've got my little looking friend over here. See him out there in the, you see out there's getting himself a little wind. But yeah, I'm out here with Mike, K8MRD, and he's I just gave him the band pass filter to let him get on 40 here and try to make some contacts, and he's struggling just like I was. So it is definitely not easy. I'll show you the setup we've got out here. So I've got my antenna on the mast over there. Our other friend Ryan, who's out with us and brought us out to this great little park, his antenna's here. And then Mike is right over there, but he's got his DX Commander set up. And by the way, I say give a shout out to Callum over there, DX Commander. You still make the best antennas, man. I love your antennas, I really do. But yeah, so we're out here just trying to get some contacts and activate this park. Nobody's ever come out here and done it before, and I guess because you have to get a boat to get out here, no one's ever tried to activate before. So we'll pop over here and see how Mike's doing. See if he's having any luck getting his activation done. So here's a familiar face. Having any luck?
Callum, all of my bananas are doing the wiggly through the antenna. The doingies are tensioned properly. And 40 meters just ain't happening for me.
Yeah,
everybody says, Mike, why don't you get on 40 more? Hey, we're getting QRM now, though. That's okay. Ryan's crushing it on 20. Maybe we'll just all have to activate on 20. That's all right.
Yeah, probably so.
No big deal.
Have to wait and take our turn. I didn't think it was going to get ripped by the new guy.
Well, it's still early. You know, the QRMers are coming out now, so there's hope.
Yeah.
There's hope.
Absolutely.
I mean, the band is empty, but this guy's gotta come right next to me.
Yep, of course. That's how it always is.
Yeah.
So there you go, guys. You heard it from Mike himself. Just having a difficult time getting contacts out. Probably better if you brought a fishing net or something. Could at least gone shrimp hunting or something. Go out and try to grab some shrimp out of the water. But yeah, it's a cool little park. I was really hoping that the weather would have been nicer. They said it was supposed to be kind of warm today and a little bit of sun, but we got nothing but overcast, and it's kind of cool. And being out there on the water, man, I'm out here wearing shorts and a t-shirt. I didn't bring Jack out with me to for this trip. I thought it'd be all nice and hot out like it's been the past few days, but no, get me on a boat and all of a sudden it's freezing cold. So we're making it through, but I think we're just gonna keep rocking with it, and I'll get back to you guys shortly and we'll see if we can get some more contacts. So yeah, I'm just trying to make contacts out here. I'm on 15 meters now. It took about, like I said, like 45-50 minutes to get 10 contacts on 40. And I went over to the other guys working on 20 over here, the new guy. He already had like 45 contacts, so he actually beat me on getting the park activated. And Mike's behind me now working 40. And just having a really heck of a time. It's been really difficult, but we're just going to keep pushing along and see if we can get some more contacts here.
CQ Parks in the air. CQ Parks in the air. Park Kilo 6580, Matagorda Island State Park. CQ POTA, any station, anywhere, standing by.
You can see my little setup here. Got my normal gear, new tablet. I got rid of that 8-inch tablet that I had before, the little Lenovo 8-inch tablet, and replaced with the Samsung 10-inch tablet, the A8. I had them on sale at Best Buy. I gave it a shot. Much faster, much more responsive, better resolution, so I could see everything on my screen, unlike the other one where it kind of cut off some parts on the Hammers app. This shows me everything ready to roll, and it's been, just been a dream so far. It's well worth the money. So I'm just going to keep rocking and rolling with it and see where we go. And that's part of the game here, just repeating your call for CQ, hoping somebody will pick up and hear you. But with the bands being dead like they are, and just, I don't know, I just picked the wrong day, or maybe the solar weather's being weird, whatever it is, And of course, I get the one guy who wants to butt right up against my frequency. It'd be nice if I can make 10 contacts on 15, and I move up to 20. Really wish 10 was open. That'd make for a really good day if 10 was open. 3 QRZ KF8IV parks on the air. Okay, I got a couple guys there. Kilo Alpha 7 station.
Kilo Alpha 7, Tango X-ray carrier 59 Arizona.
Come back with the call sign one more time. Kilo Alpha 7.
Tango X-ray sugar. Tango X-ray sugar.
Gotcha. Kilo Alpha 7 Tango X-ray sugar. You're coming in about a 5.6 in Texas.
Roger, thank you. Good luck.
Thanks for the contact. 73 QRZ Kilo India 5 November Papa Lima parks on the air. Kilo 4 station.
Kilo 4 Echo Lima India K4 Eli. Over.
Kilo 4 Echo Lima India. You're 54 in Texas at Park Kilo 6580 QSL.
QSL, you're 55 Georgia. Thanks for activating.
I copy the 55 out of Georgia. Appreciate the contact. Thanks for hunting. 73 QRZ.
Kilo Charlie 8 Yankee Radio Kilo.
Kilo Charlie 8 station.
Kilo Charlie 8 Yankee Romeo Kilo.
Kilo Charlie 8 Yankee Romeo Kilo. You're solid 5'9" in Texas.
QSL, you're 55 Georgia, 55 Georgia. Could I get your call, please?
Sure, I copy the 55 out of Georgia. My call sign is Kilo India 5 November Papa Lima. Kilo India 5 November Papa Lima.
QSL, November India 5 November Papa Lima. Thank you for the park and step 3.
I appreciate that. Let me correct that call sign. It's Kilo India 5 November Papa Lima.
That's what I wrote down. I don't know why I said November.
No problem. Have a great day. Thanks for the contact. Thanks for hunting. 73.
7-3 and good luck.
QRZ Kilo India 5 November Papa Lima parks on the air. CQ POTA, this is Kilo India 5 November Papa Lima calling CQ Parks in the air from Park Kilo 6580, Matagorda Island State Park. CQ POTA, any station, anywhere, standing by. Try saying that 100 times. Right. So after a few hours here, we have finally switched over to 20 meters. I was able to get another 70, 80 contacts. And I think I'm going to call it today with 90 contacts total. It was a little rough. The solar weather is kind of weird today. The bands were kind of weird today. 20 was really where it was at. I mean, I got some on 40. I got some on 15. I couldn't do 17s. I brought the wrong antenna. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. And being out here is kind of cool. The weather got a lot nicer now. We're back to blue sky and sunshine. Got a little bit of a breeze coming off the Gulf. But it's overall just been a beautiful day. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting back on the mainland here and heading back to the house and getting some stuff done. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you get a chance to come out here to this Matagorda Park, it does require a boat to get out here. You can charter a boat and come off the mainland and drop you right off here. And there's quite a bit of stuff. And there's a bunch of trails back behind me. Like I said, there's an old Air Force base here. So there's all runways and trails and stuff back there. Plenty of places to camp out here. Lots of little pergolas like what I'm under here now. Is probably about 8 or 9 of these things on the property here. The only problem with it is the only bathroom they have is about 100 yards away, and it's padlocked shut. But luckily they left a little bucket on the side, and you can use your imagination what that's for. But yeah, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And I will catch you guys next time. This is Ham Radio for Non-Techies, and we are clear.